Pravinkumar. I'm living in Chennai, and I have completed my B graduation in mechanical engineering, and also completed AutoCAD and CADD Centre, which is near Porur. And I come to know that CADD Centre providing a job fair in Madurai. I registered and came here to attend my interviews, and I got selected in SHS, which is a stamping private limited, and I got selected in it. Selected as a program writer in CNC, and I'm happy to have my first job in this company. And thank you for CAD Center for giving this opportunity. CAD Center, first job, Pakka.